Hello and welcome again. The very last item on the file menu is the options command. The options command, clicking on the options command brings out the word options dialog box. This dialog box is used to customize the settings in your Microsoft Word. We have the general, the display, the proofing, the save, language, the advanced, customize ribbon, quick access toolbar, add-ins, and trust center. I am going to show you how to increase or decrease the number of minutes before the auto recovery, for instance, saves your work. Let's say you are in an environment where the power is not stable or where you are not sure of the power, and you want the auto recovery to save this work for you intermittently. All you need to do is click on the save, then locate the save auto recover information every 10 minutes. What this does is that every 10 minutes the auto recovery automatically saves your MS Word document for you, so you don't have to lose your work. So if you're not in an environment where power is guaranteed, you can reduce it to 5 minutes. You can reduce it to 5 minutes, but please note that reducing this setting to 5 minutes means that your hard disk activity will increase every 5 minutes. The computer will have to save this document every 5 minutes, thereby even draining your battery the more. So under the proving section, if I for any reason want to make some setting adjustments, for instance, I no longer want to ignore words in uppercase, I can tick it. What this does is, even when I type some words in uppercase, the computer needs to check and see if the spelling is correct. But when I tick it now, the computer would no longer check for uppercase words, that is words in capital letter. It will no longer check for words in capital letter to see if there are any grammatical error or syntax error. So that is it for the options in the file menu. If you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you.